Okay, what's up guys? It's Tyler here again today to show you this time how to create a audio visualization. You guys might remember back when a Microsoft their media player had like that design playing when you listen to music and stuff like that. And then today I will show you how to basically make that, except you will have to open it with the VLC player. It'll look like this, and then you'll be able to make it sync up to music and stuff like that. But yeah. Okay, so the first thing you do, this is, by the way, I'm making it in Adobe After Effects. So you click it, wait for it to load up. And now that you're in, disk edge folder does not. And that is telling me that, yay, my hard drive is full. Okay, once you're in, you'll want to hit New Composition. Then Comp 1, you can change all of this later. Okay. And then now you're in your basic template. Over here is where you import stuff. Again, this is your preview pane here, and then your giant timeline over here. This shows all the things where they're layered, and the timeline area is here. So for this, I have it set to 3 minutes and like 40 seconds. And you double click here in the import area to drag in files. I'll go to my documents, technology, project 7, and then I'll just take in this video, or this audio. I Will Not Bow by Breaking Benjamin. And then now it's here, you drag it down to here, and now it can play. But you won't be able to actually hear it play unless you hit right here, the RAM preview. It renders, and then once you hit the spacebar, then you can hear it play through what you have rendered. I can't hardly talk today. Okay. But on this, I want to do some effects. Actually, no, on that I want to new layer, new adjustment layer. So then you can put an effect on this layer and then reference it down to the song. So then you can put effects on it. I used where is it? Audio. Where is it? There should be. Stop doing that. Something I'm looking for. Generate audio spread. You go to generate and then you go to audio spectrum. You click that and you can't see anything yet because it hasn't rendered anything at all. Just do a bit of rendering so you can see something. And then it'll do the spinny rainbow wheel of death on a Mac. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using a Mac for this. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the song playing. But here you can edit the colors of it. I don't like that color at all, so I'll choose that one. And then here, you see where it says adjustment layer? You click that and then you go to the song that you have. And I'll reset this color. I'll just make that one blue. And then now let's try Why is it not showing up on here? Okay, sorry about that. I had to do some checking. Delete the adjustment layer. You weren't supposed to make an adjustment layer. You were supposed to make a new solid. And then you can delete that and name it a audio spectrum. I'm just gonna name it audio spec. And then now that's there, you can go to effect. I already have it up here, but again, generate audio spectrum. And then now you'll see the line up here. And then again, you'll want to go up here and change the audio layer from audio spectrum to I will not bow or whatever your song is. Set that back here. Again, the colors, I hate those colors. Outside color. And I'll make it bright red too. And then you'll be able to see your spectrum play, but you won't be able to hear your music unless you do the pre-render thing. But let's just spice it up a bit and get maximum height. You can just crank that way up like that. So then you can actually, like when it's down here, see this stuff going. Around 15 seconds. You want to find where your song gets really high and make sure like right there it doesn't go off the screen. So I'll dial this back a bit so everything stays on screen. It's still a lot bigger. And then this is still pretty cool on its own, but if you want to, you can go down here and instead of display options, you can change it to analog lines, which then looks like that. I don't know why the resolution is so bad on this, but for some reason it is. Oh, there we go. That's better. My resolution was set way down. Then you can see it looks like that. Or you could, there's analog dots also, which, in my opinion, I don't think look very cool. I mean, they can be used to add effects, but it just basically takes it and only shows the endpoints. But, I don't know. I like using a combination of analog lines and the digital. But then you can also choose, say, I don't want it to be on side B, so you can have it only go above it, or you can have it only go below it. But have this one go up there. Then if you want to, you can click the audio spectrum again, effect, and make another one. And then you can set the colors whatever you want. I'm just going to set them the same again. So now there's two audio spectrums. And I want to take this, reference it there. Then again, crank up the maximum height. And then you can get these exact, but I'm not trying to get them exact right now. This one I only want it on side B. And then go up here. This one I want it analog lines side A. Oh, whoops, I know what I did wrong. Okay. Audio spectrum. Delete. Whoa. I did. There. I did something I didn't like. What? Why is it not showing both of them? I don't know why it's not showing both of them. Hang on, I'll be back in a second, guys. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I figured it out. What you want to do to create, like I have this one, it's all going up. What you want to do if you want to create a bottom layer, or like more layers on top of that, you click your audio spectrum, then you go, for me it's Option D, for you guys I think it's Command D for duplicate. So Option D, and then it's a second one, and then you can come down here and change it to side B. Now you see we have two of them, or you can change this to digital, which I also think looks pretty cool, something like that, and then have it going. But you know, you can just play around with that, or you could have, I'm back down to the first layer now, you could have it go on both side A and B. Oh, whoops, actually no, just have this one on side A, and see, you can just keep playing around with different stuff like that. And then once you get all this all done up the way you want to, you can go and give it a bunch of effects and stuff like that. Make sure on my top layer I can go Effect, Distort. Is there a mirror somewhere? Mirror. Then I can go like that and create a mirror on that layer. It's just odd things like that you can do. I don't know. You can just mess around with a whole bunch of different stuff. Just want to get rid of. No, just delete the mirror. You can do a bunch of different stuff like that. And just, I don't know, find some stuff that in the effect panel that you like. And then you can mess around with it. But to export it, I won't show you guys exporting it because it first off takes like an hour to export. Then to preview it, like I said, you click this. Then this little green bar here shows you how far it's done it. And then once you get a ways in, you can hit the space bar, and then it'll start playing audio and showing you how the visual is moving to it. But then to export it, you go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue, and then after that you go down to here, Lossless, and you have to click this. You have to click Audio Output, otherwise it will not actually put out the audio with it. So you click that, and I just left that alone. Save it, leave it like that, click OK, and then you click here, Render. I'm not going to do it because my hard drive is full. But then you click Render, and it will export it as a .mov. Here you can change the name of it, and stuff like that. And I forgot to show you how to change the length of it. So here I'll show you new new composition. Here's how you do it. Right here. I have it set to 3 minutes and 39 seconds. The standard set is 30 seconds. So you find out exactly how long your piece of audio is, and you set this to it. There's no way to change it after you've made the composition. So that's not exactly one of the best ideas, but you know, that's just the way it is. But yeah, now you guys know how to make something that looks like, where is it? Now you guys know how to make something that looks like this. Thanks for watching. And I will see you guys later. Bye.